All right, what we've got here is 5 o'clock sun coming down to the well we're trying to pump. We've got our panel, which is getting enough juice from the solar panels. We are not in the well at this point. What I've done is I've bypassed the well and we are pumping right here at the water. There's the pump. We are recycling through. Currently, if we follow a model of what it would do when it sinks down, we would be, there's the casing cap, we would be a distance of if we come back, we're going to loop the back 100 feet right here. And this is the knot where the water was at today. So we know that in theory, this 14 gauge cable for the electrical down to the pump is good. Distance is not a problem. The pump has been running for over 45 minutes at all speeds. So I know that at the final distance of the pump at 162 feet, we are pumping. Now, what I'd like to do is maybe run that up the hill a little bit to see if I can get some backflow pressure, but I just think we're out of water. So, we have approximately down to the bottom of the well, if we go from our measurement there and follow this string, the string ends right up there, which I believe that's about 80 more feet. So there is water in the well. I wish we could go down to 162 and push up. I'm not sure why we can't, but I'm gonna hold off until tomorrow because I want to see how much the well recover, and then I'll sink it back down and see how far we can go. It's got to do something with pushing up hill. All right.